Alright, I am the worst. Fuel tank is on. Let's go fuel filter. Showed you that already. Put this tank on. Went to the CHP VIN inspection today and took like 45 minutes. Of course it was fine. It was actually at the CHP division where Chips was filmed. I mean, everybody remembers Chips, right? It was really cool. It looked like a little smaller in person. And there's a new building down there, but yeah, it was pretty funny. So I changed the oil. It's a 24 millimeter. There's a screen behind there. Clean that out as well. And I gotta charge up a battery for it. I got a brand new one, fill it with acid. And I might be able to start this sooner than later. Battery in, check. Fuel tank is on. Siphoned a little gas in there. I'm going to pull the spark plug just because I put a little bit of oil in there yesterday to loosen it up, and I don't want to hydrolock this thing, so I'm going to turn it over and blow that out. This thing, this is a 3/4. What the hell's 2 spark plug sockets and they don't fit this? I don't know, maybe I'm just out of my mind right now, but okay. Put that there. This will be the first time this thing has had battery power in how many years? You do the math. Whoa. Got a headlight. Put a little bit of gas in it, so I don't know if that's reading. Just a brake should fire. Or does it have to be the back brake? Okay, we'll figure that out. Alright, did the brake lock there with the back brake, and I heard a little click. Cool. Turns over. Well, let's put that plug back in. Alright, just primed it a little bit. Getting fuel in there now. Plug is back in. Let's see if we get any more. The carburetor was bone dry, so give it a minute. Maybe some carb. Blue smoke isn't bad. Leaks. It's on the high idle, so I know that works. That's nice. 86 to 96, 10 years, 2006, 20 years. Oh, there goes the off the enricher, low idle. I have to bump that up a little bit. Oil and paint burning off. I wanted to jack it up actually, because get the drive wheel going. Exhaust is a little smoky. $30 years? Is that what we said? 30 something? That's badass. Got running lights. I didn't realize the parking lights were running lights as well. Very cool.